Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to unfriend someone in Heyday. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Heyday application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you get Heyday? Pretty simple. You can get Heyday on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where all you need to do is to follow through step-by-step on-screen processes to create your account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Heyday. So once you get here, now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, and that is how to unfriend someone in Heyday. Let's say you've been playing a game with somebody and you just want to get rid of the person. You just want to unfriend the person because you're, for one reason or the other, for a reason known to you. This is what you can do to unfriend the person. Now, from this home page, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen. You have the true friend icon. So you have this true friend icon right there. Click on that. And once you click on this, now right next to where Greg is, you're going to see a book icon. So go ahead and click on the book icon and it takes you over here. So here you have request and you have in-game friends at the top corner. You have other friends, you have followers. So go ahead and click on in-game friends. Now, I do not have any friend in Heyday. But if you have friends, once you click on in-game friends, you're going to see the friends that you have. So just go ahead and tap any friend. So right next to any friend, all your friends are going to display here, right? So right next to any friend, at the right corner, to the right of your friend, you're going to see an option that says remove and block. Two buttons, remove and block. So all you need to do is to double tap the remove button. Tap the remove button twice or double tap the remove button. Once you double tap the remove button, then that friend is going to be unfriended. It doesn't work like that. So that's how you will be able to unfriend somebody or unfriend that friend in Heyday. Double tap the remove button and that's it. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.